watch out.
Why don't you take it up there to it, Meredith, and put it in?
Alright, Meredith, Mommy's ready for you now. Right in front of this, in front of that tree.
Good job, Eli.
Meredith. Meredith.
Eli, 2 points.
Eli. He's pretty good. He is pretty good. Look at you. No, you'll run over something. Wait a minute.
Hey. Where's B?
B.
Good job.
Meredith.
B.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Whoa.
C. D. Good job.
It's going to be his favorite spot today.
All right, Meredith.
We'll have to take it outside and try, okay? After we open everything else.
Oh, it's too dark.
Yeah, we have to wait for the sun. And hopefully it's not raining.
Can I open all my presents? I want this one.
All right, let's start
Wait, look,
opening.
Meredith. You can read your name, right? See, you can only open the ones that have your name on it, and they're all from Santa. Come over here into the living room, okay?
Not in the kitchen.
Let's get Eli a present, Meredith.
They all have my name. Hey, this one has Eli on
We'll
it.
give it to him.
Eli, look what I have for you.
What
It
is
has your
that?
name on it. Eli.
Good job, Meredith.
Ow.
Come on, just open your present. Come here. Come on, just open. You want to open it? You want to open it? Oh, look, it's like Abby's.
Yes. I got it. I would show Abby all the time.
Well, Abby has one too.
Which one else has one?
Look.
Hey, this is my number one too. So I can open it.
Oh, look.
Let's see what Eli got, Meredith.
Let's make sure. Yep.
Eli got a book.
Me too.
Wow, what does it say?
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur. Who lost
Lost
Is roar.
is your.
dinosaur who lost his roar.
Eli. I'm just gonna put his over there.
Mommy,
Eli, you wanna open another one?
which one has mine in it? What? Got it.
You want to open gifts, Eli?
Yes.
It's an H. Should have known better than setting that up.
What is that?
Wow.
Viv, you want that?
Yes.
Wow. I can't believe it. This is your name. It's in cursive. That's yours. Eli, come here.
Oh, no.
Go get a garbage bag.